So we got the Rubicon rock rails on. Now it's time to put the ACE engineering steps. With the frame bolts, so you'll need to remove the frame bolts. For that, you'll use a 3/4 socket. They are left and right, so as you'll see, the front frame bolts spaced out further than the back two. So that's how you can differentiate between which one's on the driver's side and passenger side. And I'm going to use a jack stand to help hold it up some because they're pretty heavy. So let's remove the frame bolts. So apparently that's not going to work. So let's try a socket. Okay, so let's try this with a ratchet now. Okay. That seems to work. Yeah, first one's out. That does not look good. It's really rusty. Well, I don't know if that's natural or not. All right, let's take off the next one. So that's a little tough. I'm gonna spray some lubricant on it and see if that helps. So I sprayed it with some lubricant. Let's see if it's any easier. And there we go. Alright, so now the last one. So it seems that the lubrication definitely helps. So I think something broke in here because I can screw it back in, but I can't get it out. So looks like this, and I don't know if you just heard it, it pops. So looks like these things are gonna have to wait and get a professional to install them, I guess, because I do not know what to do. So, alright, so we're gonna try one more thing to get this up before we completely give up. So it doesn't look like that's going to work either. So, alright, at least we tried. You can see the bolts out. I really wish I would have filmed it. What I did is stick the screwdriver here, press down on the the washer and then unscrewed it at the same time, then it worked fairly easy. So now you've already seen me take these other two out. I'm gonna take them out and then we'll work on getting the Ace step sliders on. So unfortunate for me, but maybe fortunate for YouTube, the two driver's side, the middle and the back, they're doing the same thing the back one's doing on the other side. So I'm gonna see if I can get it out the same way. So. Just put a little pressure there on it, and it pops right out. So, try the other side. It's right here. I just want to make sure you can see it. They pop right out. There we go. Now we're gonna put the other side on. So these Ace Engineering steps are no joke. Heavy duty and heavy. So you see what I'm doing here is I got a jack stand. And I've just got it supported up there. That way I can lift this end and get the bolts in. So what I'm gonna do first is get some Loctite on this and then lift it up. Wish me luck. Okay, so I think we got one in.
Landon, what are you doing? I'm talking like Jackson. You can't ride it. You promise you won't do it? Okay, I'm just joking. I'm actually going. You want my foot full of the... Why are you doing it?
Nice one right here.
Needs to be torqued down, and it looks awesome. So I'm going to get torqued down and then come back. Sorry for all the background noise, though. The video, kids are outside playing today.
The steps are finally done, completed, finished. So I think they look pretty good. I have to say they went on easier than it was to get the bolts out. Once the bolts were out and you're ready to put them in, it actually went pretty easily. So Couple takeaways: can't get the mounting bolts out of the frame. You can pry them with a screwdriver and they'll pop right out. And they actually went right back in really easily. So I'm happy with the way it turned out. Really happy with the way it looks. And said it wasn't too terribly difficult. The kids will like them because they'll now be able to get in and out of the Jeep again easily without the steps. They were struggling. And I have to say, I noticed too that when I don't use them to get in the Jeep, but I do push myself out with them getting out of the Jeep. So it'll be nice for me too, I guess. But that is it. And for real this time, thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe.